If a bank or an investor ever becomes part of your plan, this is the video that gets you ready for that run. I'm going to walk you through what they actually look at and how to be the owner who works in prepared, not the one who gets caught out. So here's the uncomfortable truth. The decision often starts forming in the first few minutes, long before anyone opens a spreadsheet. What they're actually reading is simple. Do you run your business or does it just happen to you? And the moment you reach for a folder to answer a basic question about your own store, you already have the answer. Every question they ask, however it is worded, it's really one of the three. Can you pay this back? Is the business actually healthy, and do you personally know it well enough to be trusted with the money? All these three in mind, and almost nothing they ask is a surprise. So here are the 5 numbers to carry in your head, not buried in a binder. Your revenue, and whether it's climbing, flat or slipping, your gross margin, your net profit, the part that you actually keep, your cash position for the month, and what you already owe. If you can say all 5 out loud right now, you are already ahead of most people who walk through that door. There is one number they lean on more than the rest. They want to see the business earning comfortably more than the new payment would cost. Many lenders look for something around 1.25 times, though standard vary by lender. You do not need to memorize the ratio. You just need to know before they ask roughly where your business is. Before you ever book the meeting, get this together: your profit and loss for the last year, a cash flow statement, or just your recent cash activities, your business bank statement, and usually a couple of years of tax return, and a plain one-line answer to what the money is for. If you have one, bring your balance sheet too. Not every small business keeps one, but it rounds out the picture if you do. Having them ready is half the work, and it changes how you feel going in. Here's the part most people miss. They're not only testing the business, they're testing your understanding of it as well. A polished file paired with an owner who fumbles read as risky. A modest file paired with an owner who knows every figure reads as steady and prepared. Confidence more than paperwork is what changes the read in that room. Here's a few things worth doing. Practice answering one question with no notes. How much did you make last month and why? Be able to say exactly what the money is for and what it earns back, and bring the documents before they ask. That simple move tells them you run a tight ship before you have said a word. And if you have followed this series, here is the good news. You have been getting ready for this the whole time. The owner who knows their number is not gifted. They kept a small habit going. If you have a simple system that summarizes your number each month, there is nothing to cram the night before. You already know. So know your numbers before they ask. That's the whole edge. Next week is the final video: what a financially healthy business looks like and the numbers that prove it. I will see you there.